Hi there! Have you think about how to measure your garage door spring and which spring is suitable for your garage door? Let's talk about it today. So for the length of the spring, we need to take the measurement inside the cones. In this case, we have 30 and 1/4, and you can round for 30. If it's 30 and a half or more, you can round for 31. For the diameter, we need to take the inside diameter of the coil. So let's take the measuring tape, put here. In this case, we have a 1 3/4. On the next step, we need to know the wire size. For the wire size, we have to count 20 coils, then take the measurement and compare it to a chart that we have on our website. You can take a look on the description below. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So then we put the measure tape here, and you can see that the spring is 4.5 inches. To know the wind direction, you can take a look on the color of the cone. The red cone means right wand and goes on the left side of the center bracket, and the other one on the right side of the center bracket. If you don't have the color of the spring, you can take your fingers and put on the direction of the coil on the spring. If you use the right hand, that means it's a right wand and goes to the left side of the center bracket. Same thing for the other one. If you use the left hand to put your fingers in the direction of the coil, that means it's left wand and goes to the right side of the coil. When all four measurements are correct, wire size, inside diameter, length, and wind, you get a door that's perfectly balanced, safer to operate, and easier on your opener. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section.